Morning, guys. I'm going to be installing this Bully tailgate lock. It's made for 94 to 01, 1500, 2500, blah blah blah. So I watched the YouTube video. I don't think it was detailed enough. So I'm gonna do my version of it. So let me get this open. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the bed cover, which is these bolts that the previous owner put. So let me do that really fast. Alright, so now that I have that removed, the first things I'm going to install are these guys. So what are these guys for? They are for this, right here. So people can't just open your bed. So what you do, I don't know what size that is yet. Something big. Of course it's Torx because it's, it's Dodge. I think it is a T40 or T45. Let me double check and then I'll record again. So it's really easy. It's a T40 Torx. See that? Come on, focus. There you go. T40 right there. Take off that bolt, put the little cover on there. So people, I have its new cover, but remember, this is not a hard cover. People can just get a knife and cut through it. But it's going to be difficult to get into the bed still because they can't flip these open. Alright, so let me go install the other side. See, now the other side is installed. Okay, so now they have these instructions. Let me unfold these for you here. This really sucks doing this shit by yourself. Hold on, guys. Here are the instructions. So remove the bezel. I see. What I did is I just did the other step last. I just put those little covers on the ends last. So now I'm gonna remove the bezel. I'm gonna remove this third bolt, which is right here. Then what you do is you hold it with the key and you press it on with the new hardware, which is right there. So yeah, let me remove this and then I will try to record myself putting it on with one hand, which I don't think is gonna happen. Alright guys, so I got it installed. I couldn't record it. So how this works, so you got to stick that new hardware through the backside, and then right here you screw it in. So how this works is you put the key in, you turn it. It only locks one side. See, that I think is wrong. I think they should have made a way of it being able to lock both sides, but now I can't open the tail bed, right? It's stuck. So now it's locked. So what you do is just boom. Now it opens. And now what I was talking about, I was talking about those gold things, it hides it right there. So I can't, even if they cut it, I can't just, come in here and open it. It's a little bit, it's more of a deterrent, But yeah, let me get that bezel on now. Now the bezel's on. Kind of sucks that it's different color, but that doesn't really bug me too much. Honestly, it's a truck, guys. It's just old plastic. You can't really fix that. But yeah, that was the Bully install. Here's the new bolt on the back. The reason why, okay, so people were wondering why you can't use the stock one, because it actually threads in there. So this threads into the new part, so that means you'd have to thread through the body and that new part, which would make it more difficult to install. That's why they don't use the OEM. But yeah, it seems like it'll work. We'll see how this goes. And yeah, I hope you guys like the install. It was very self-explanatory. It wasn't that difficult. I actually might try to trim this down to make it look a little nicer. So at least all the faded plastic stays faded plastic, you know what I mean? Other than that, there you go, guys. That actually worked out pretty good. I'm pretty pumped. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and